that what's happening? Oh my god. How did anyone convince him to do this? This is insane. This is...
In taste and texture.
Oh, my cam. Fuck, hang on.
And like, when I was chewing it, the bread absorbed it all. So the bread became whatever it was. So the bread now became chewy and hard to swallow. And then
did he throw up?
To the top of my Invisalign.
He acted like a 9-year-old?
So I had to lick it out.
So,
Meanwhile, holding back
tears.
I mean, I've known Nick for well over a decade now. I have yet to have ever seen him eat anything chewy. He can't eat eggs, for example. It has to have... The chewiest stuff he can eat is like stringy food, like maybe chicken. He can't even swallow pills. He's so weird.
Like caviar.
He almost did. He had to walk it off. Oh my god.
You've never swallowed any of those things? Okay. So this is the first time you have swallowed something that was...
I'm so proud of him.
You know, of something that...
Yeah, lobster tail. He's so weird. I don't get it.
I mean this sincerely. When I went over there to walk it off, I was shaking.
Okay, this is before you had the snail. You were shaking?
Fear.
What was the fear that you were going to instantaneously...
Does he eat actual sushi? No, he does not eat sushi.
She did say to me, she goes, no, he's serious. He'll do it.
I've gone to sushi places with him. He just gets the teriyaki chicken and rice.
When I was 7 and I had spaghetti.
Like, I guarantee you, no matter what restaurant or type of restaurant you tell me, I can tell you what Nick will order.
Is it the text?
Every time.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. There's no what mood is he in. That doesn't exist.
Flavor in the world.
It's same every time.
Thanks, Canute.
Go to any, like, Asian restaurant, it's the teriyaki chicken and rice. You go to Chili's, it's the original chicken crispers with fries and corn. With loaded fries on the side. You go to fucking... any place with steak, it's steak with ketchup.
Let me smell it.
It really is delicious. If you can get past the whole puke.
I mean, it's...
It's in like a very oily pesto butter sauce.
I don't think civilized humans should be doing this. This isn't something we need to do.
I bet maybe only 300 of the 38,000 people watching this stream right now have any idea the level of, like... This is a greater accomplishment than the moon landing. Is getting Nick to eat this escargot. They don't understand. They don't fathom the level of this.
Okay.
I think I need to go lay down.
You need to go lay down. Are you done with the adventuring?
Lay down.
I think that's it for me tonight.
That's it? What happened?
I saw it.
You saw it?
Gladiator.
Freaked you out?
That is so funny to me.
Sauce. I just want to like soak in it. Yum. Yum.
Wait a minute. Since I didn't throw it up, that means I don't get to order KFC tonight. That was the deal we had.
What was the deal with chat?
The deal was if I threw it up, then I could order KFC again. But since I didn't,
It's an eating disorder called ARFID. I have it. Okay, let me look this up. Hang on. I feel like you're baiting me, and I'm about to get fucked. Hang on. ARFID. Avoidant restrictive food intake disorder. Oh. What the fuck? Eating or beat eating disorders. The types of ARFID include avoidant, aversive, restrictive, adult ARFID, and ARFID plus. Oh my god. What is ARFID a symptom of ADHD? I don't think so. Is ARFID autistic? ARFID and autism are closely related, but they're not synonymous. Understanding your differences is still okay. What is an ARFID? Avoidant restrictive food intake disorder is a fairly new eating disorder. Children with ARFID are extremely selective eaters and sometimes have little interest in eating food. They may eat a limited variety of preferred foods, which can lead to poor growth and poor nutrition. Well, I mean, Nick loves to eat. Research shows that ARFID and autism frequently coexist. This study suggests that ARFID is highly heritable. I don't know if he has ARFID. He's just fucking... Well, someone with ARFID may be obsessed about avoiding eating food. Sometimes a person experiences both ARFID and OCD. Well, some children are picky to the extreme. It is, for many, a developmentally normal phase, and one, as pediatricians say, they eventually will outgrow. Can ARFID be caused by depression? There is an underlying disorder behind ARFID most of the time, such as anxiety, fear, depression, and OCD. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if he is ARFID. I think he's just an idiot. I think he's just a soy. I mean, it is what it is. Whatever. He's alive. He's doing great. Just crazy they got him to eat a snail. Good.